Hi, my name's Martin. I'm from RevCam UK, Reversing Cameras UK Limited. Today we're looking at the WT479, which is a transmitter for high definition cameras. So it will accept the AHD, 720p's, 1080p's. It will also do the standard definition cameras, but we don't normally recommend it for such. We normally recommend standard definition transmitters for standard definition cameras, and obviously high definition transmitters for high definition cameras. You'll notice that there's a 4-pin aviation screw type connector. It's a waterproof connector. These boxes are both fully waterproof, so it can be mounted externally. So you'll notice that there's a lead coming off, which then connects into a DC socket, which sort of screws together and locks up. And then we've got the little red and black wire, so give it either 12 volts or 24 volts. So some people, or most of the time, people fit these onto caravans and trailers. You can fit it onto vehicles direct, so we get a lot of, sometimes we get people with sort of trucks and lorries fitting these on. You will obviously need either 12 volt or 24 volt non-CAN bus supply. So bear in mind, if you're trying to put it onto a modern sort of car or van, you might find CAN bus issues where the ECU just gets a bit upset that there's an unusual power draw. Not a problem if it was a custom 12 volt supply, or very often on trailers. It's very rare to find a trailer with CAN bus. So that was the transmitter side. This is the monitor side. So that will literally just plug into, let's say, a 4-pin AHD monitor. It's important to mention that because if you try to just plug it into a CVBS and you're running a 1080p, you're not going to get a picture. So it'll be obviously outputting an AHD to the screen, and you need a special chip inside your monitor for it to read it. So that will plug into your monitor, and that monitor will in turn be powering the receiver. So that's all you have to do on the monitor side. All you have to do on the camera side is just put this to a power supply and screw up your camera. So nice and simple to install. So obviously you've got a range of, we stock a big range of cameras. Most of our range of high definition is all running the 1080p, which looks great when you put it onto this link. So I'll have a quick sort of load up of a monitor and a camera so you can see what it looks like. So I've just plugged in the receiver into our monitor. I've just picked a mirror monitor. It's quite a popular monitor for people to use. I've put a normal black Sony AHD camera in. So we also do white versions, and I've just got it looking at a lovely Minions image. So you can see the lights in the photo cube off to the side there. So if you see any lines, try and focus properly. So if I see any lines, that's not there in real life. It's just an effect called moire of trying to video a screen. So as you can see, you're getting a lovely picture. See, I'll just move it about a bit so you can see the refresh rate and what have you. So a really convenient way of running a high definition, especially when you've got a caravan or trailer that you want to put a camera on and you want a really nice, good quality picture.